Do you believe it? Even withered orchid pots that seem to have to be thrown away can still be revived brilliantly with just a few familiar ingredients in the kitchen. Today at Blissful Garden, I will share a simple but surprisingly effective secret to help orchids grow strong roots, shiny green leaves, and bloom brightly all year round. Don't miss it, because after just a few steps, you will see the miracle right in your small garden. Let's get started. My orchid is in serious condition now, infected with mold and bacteria, signs that the plant is slowly losing its life. When you come across orchids that seem beyond saving with wilted leaves and severely damaged roots, don't give up. Infected leaves should be removed immediately to prevent the risk of spreading to other orchids in the garden. Small black dots appear on the leaves. The fungus is spreading, causing the leaves to gradually shrivel and fall off. Mold attacks from the leaf stalk, causing the leaves to rot, swell, and accumulate a lot of water. This is a typical sign of leaf rot in orchids. The base of the leaf stalk has been attacked by fungus, leading to a soft condition. The first and most important step in reviving a plant is to gently remove the plant from its pot and remove all of the old growing medium so you can thoroughly assess the condition of the plant. If you are new to the channel, please hit the like and subscribe button to support me and so you don't miss any orchid care tips. It's great to have you along on this journey. If you look closely, you will notice that although the stem and leaves are damaged and the leaves have lost their vitality, the roots of the orchid still retain nutrients. This is the key, allowing us to use it and stimulate the dormant buds in the stem to sprout again. Use sterilized scissors to thoroughly cut off damaged or diseased roots to help the plant concentrate nutrients on healthy roots for growth. For the base, prune until you see white or green tissue. This is a sign that the tissue is still alive and the plant still has the potential to revive. In addition to the English subtitles, you can use the automatic translation to your language to understand the content more easily. To subtitle in your language, open the video and click the gear icon settings in the automatic translation to select your preferred language. What country are you watching this video from? Leave a comment to let me know. It's great that we can connect and chat with each other from all over the world. After pruning, use clean water to wash the entire plant to completely remove mold and dirt, keeping the leaf and root surfaces clear and reducing the risk of reinfection. Thorough rinsing with running water can remove up to about 80% of pathogens and harmful fungi. After washing, use a soft sterilized towel to gently dry the entire stem and roots of the plant. This helps to completely remove any remaining dirt and fungal spores, while also limiting the remaining water that causes mold growth. I use ripe bananas as a source of nutrients for orchid roots. The main ingredient I will be using is banana peels, an ingredient that is often thrown away, but provides a natural source of nutrients, rich in potassium, vitamins, and essential minerals. It is especially effective in promoting root growth and increasing the vitality of orchids. Chop banana peels into small pieces to make natural fertilizer for orchids. safe, cost-effective, and environmentally friendly. After chopping the banana peels, I put them in a clean glass jar to ferment, creating banana waste enzymes (GEA), a natural source of nutrients that is very good for orchids. I use cinnamon powder as a natural antibiotic, which helps the orchid prevent mold and bacteria, and protects the plant throughout its growth. I use 1 liter of hot water to extract and release the nutrients from the banana peel and cinnamon powder, helping them dissolve completely, creating a nutrient-rich solution for orchids. Then cover tightly and incubate in a towel for about 1 hour to fully extract the nutrients. After the mixture cools, we will use it. After 1 hour, the cinnamon powder and banana peel water has cooled. Stir well to mix the nutrients before filtering. I will strain off the pulp to obtain a clear liquid. The liquid extracted at this stage is rich in nutrients from banana, peel and cinnamon powder, which provide powerful antibacterial and antifungal properties. Next, I will soak the entire orchid root in this diluted solution for 15 to 20 minutes so that the roots can fully absorb the nutrient. While soaking, the natural nutrients from the solution penetrate deep into the root tissues, speeding up recovery, stimulating new root growth and enhancing the plant's resilience while the orchid is soaking in water. After 20 minutes, the plant has absorbed the maximum nutrients that can help the plant revive. The next step is to create an antibacterial layer for the cuts. Using cinnamon powder to treat cuts is an effective natural remedy. When cinnamon powder is applied to a cut on a leaf, stem or root, it helps the wound dry quickly and forms a protective scab, preventing infection. Cinnamon powder acts as a stimulant to help the plant grow new roots quickly. After sterilization, we will leave the plant for 1 day to help the wounds heal and then proceed to plant. I will use the remaining solution to care for other orchids in the garden. Method 1. You can use this solution to wipe the leaves of your orchid. Wiping with this solution not only cleans the leaves, removing dirt and debris that hinders photosynthesis, but also provides a direct layer of natural nutrients. Banana peel juice provides plant hormones and minerals that help roots grow strongly. Leaves photosynthesize better, and leaves stay green. Furthermore, wiping the leaves will remove bacteria, fungi, or insect eggs on the surface of the elements that can weaken the plant if not treated promptly. So every time you wipe the leaves with this solution is like beautifying and strengthening the immunity of your orchid. Method 2. I will pour the remaining solution into a spray bottle and mist evenly over both the top and bottom of the orchid leaves. This step is very important because it allows the plant to absorb nutrients directly through the leaves. The trace minerals and organic compounds in the solution enhance photosynthesis, making the leaves greener, stronger, and healthier. Misting also creates natural humidity around the plants, helping to reduce water loss during dry days. In addition, the solution also acts as a protective layer, limiting fungal attacks on the leaf surface. Method 3. I will water directly on the orchid roots. By applying in this way, the roots can absorb nutrients more gradually and ensure stable nutrition for the plant. When caring for plants with nutrients, you should periodically water them every 2 weeks, combined with other suitable fertilizers to promote the comprehensive and sustainable growth of orchids. Banana peels provide nutrients and trace minerals that support healthy root growth, while cinnamon powder acts as a natural growth stimulant, strengthening the roots and helping to prevent rot caused by fungal infections. Thanks to this combination, orchids will develop healthy roots, producing many new shoots. Today I will use pine bark as a new medium for the tree. When using, I need to disinfect the environment to remove harmful fungi and bacteria. I will use garden lime for this, using cinnamon powder and banana peel. A carefully treated environment creates a healthy environment for orchids to develop strong roots, absorb nutrients better, and reduce the risk of root or stem rot during growth. After 1 day of care, the wounds on the orchid roots have healed and begun to recover. Use a pot that ensures effective drainage, with drainage holes at the bottom and on both sides to limit water stagnation. The growing medium used is treated pine bark to ensure a clean, airy, and safe growing environment for the development of orchid roots. Line the bottom of the pot with a layer of pine bark substrate to create a solid foundation for orchid root growth. I then place the orchid neatly in the center of the pot. Next, I will slowly add the pine bark, shaking the pot gently to ensure the growing medium is evenly distributed and surrounds the roots in the process. I was careful not to bury the root collar too deep, keeping the base firm but still airy. This is an important step for the orchid to quickly adapt and develop a new root system. If you want to learn the secret of caring for Phalaenopsis orchids, make sure to watch this video carefully until the end. Your orchid will become healthy, grow new roots, and bloom brightly all year round. Finally, I will cover the surface with a thin layer of moss. This moss layer retains moisture in the environment, prevents rapid evaporation, and creates an airy environment, better protecting the newly grown orchid roots after completing all the repotting steps. What orchid species are you growing, so that I can build an in-depth care guide video, specifically tailored to the characteristics and needs of that species, so the orchid has a new place to grow into healthy plants. Spraying clean water mist provides moisture for orchids. Use pots of appropriate size, designed with effective ventilation and drainage holes, to help maintain ventilation and limit the intrusion of harmful insects. Use clamps to secure the pot lid so it does not move during planting. This is the stage when the plant needs time to stabilize its roots and adapt to the new environment, so a cool environment will help reduce shock and support strong new root growth. After 3 weeks, this is the orchid that I have cared for and revived using this method. To get a closer look, remove the top pot. It can be observed that the cotyledons have developed lush green and full of vitality, showing that the plant is reviving strongly and is ready to grow into stronger, more mature individuals. Let's check the roots together. New delicate white roots have appeared, indicating that the plant has absorbed nutrients efficiently and is thriving in the growing medium. This is a very positive sign that the orchid is recovering and is ready to thrive in the near future. We will maintain the nutritional regime for the young orchid by continuing to mix a solution of potato peels combined with seaweed, a natural source of nutrients that helps the plant grow quickly and healthily. This solution should be watered directly into the root zone, periodically every 2 weeks. Provide more nutrients to help the plant grow healthier. When the plant has young leaves, I will place the orchid pot in a cool place, but in a place with light sunlight to help the plant photosynthesize better. The results after 2 months were amazing, as the tiny dormant bud had now grown into a healthy new plantlet with new leaves sprouting, lush and green. As the plant grew, its root system also developed vigorously, appearing bright white, indicating that the plant was absorbing nutrients very well. The young roots from 3 weeks ago have grown larger, whiter and greener, showing this is a clear sign that the restoration method is working. The orchid not only overcame the initial wilting, but also entered a new phase, healthy and stable growth. What do you think about this orchid recovery method? Please share your thoughts in the comments section so we can discuss further. If you find it useful, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on upcoming simple and natural orchid care tips. Thank you for watching. I wish you all luck, happiness, good health and success in your garden care journey. I look forward to seeing you in the next videos.